In this video, we're going to be looking at the word class adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb or an adjective. It tells you where, how often, or when something is done. Let's take a look at some examples of some adverbs. Slowly, peacefully, later, angrily, excitedly, and soon. Now, there are different types of adverbs. Let's take a look at the different types. Adverbs of time explain when something happened. For example, recently, then, and now. Adverbs of place describe where something happened. For example, everywhere, above, or below. Adverbs of manner describe how something happened, such as loudly, shyly, worriedly. Adverbs of frequency describe how often something happened. Firstly, sometimes, monthly. Here are some examples of when adverbs can be used to describe adjectives. The child was very tall, or the dog was quite difficult to train. In both of these sentences, the adverb is giving us more information about the adjective. Now let's see if we can spot an adverb in a sentence. Take a look at this question. Tick the adverb in the sentence below. Dancing gracefully, the ballerina jumped and twirled. Look closely at the sentence. Which word is the adverb? The word gracefully is an adverb because it's describing how the ballerina is dancing. It is an adverb of manner. Now let's take a look at the next question. Your job is to circle 3 of the adverbs in the extract that's about to appear on the screen. Yesterday, there was a heavy storm and it was very wet. The toddler jumped happily in the puddles. Pause the video and press play when you're ready. Did you manage to find the 3 adverbs? The first adverb is yesterday. This tells us when something happened. The second adverb is very. This describes the adjective wet. And the last adverb is happily. This tells us how the toddler was jumping. Great job if you got all 3. Adverbs are so effective in providing someone with a clearer picture of what's happened. If the sentence didn't contain an adverb, we wouldn't know when the storm happened, how wet it was, and how the toddler was acting. For our final question, you are going to underline all of the adverbs in the following sentences. Typically, penguins like to eat fish. Kelsey dropped her tray of food and it went everywhere. Ahmed ran fast on his way to school. Press pause and hit play when you're ready. So, how many adverbs did you find? In the first sentence, the adverb is typically. This explains how often the penguin likes to eat fish. In the next sentence, the adverb is everywhere. This is an adverb of place as it shows where Kelsey dropped her food. And finally, the last adverb is fast. This explains how Ahmed ran through school. Very well done if you got all of those right. If you're looking for more English videos, make sure you check out more videos just like this one on the Twinkl website. See you next time.